morning, beginning of day one of the reset. This is what I look like in the morning. I started my day out forgetting I did pick up the distilled water. Yay! You use a lot of distilled water, and in the morning we have to do mineralize, oxygenize, and optimize in the distilled water for mineralize. So I ran to the store and got that. Had a lot of birthdays prior to this, so I did plan. I did do the grocery shopping trip ahead of time, and let me tell you, I am such a boy. The grocery trip, holy cow, I was in the store so long. I'm texting my coach going, where is this? What is this? Where do I get that if it's not here? It was like a hunt. I literally wanted to throw my own little child fit banging on the floor in the store and be like, can I go now? It did take a while. I printed it all out. I put it in my Wonder Woman folder. I even had a man come up and ask me where stuff was. He goes, you look like a professional, because I have a sheet in the Wonder Woman folder. But, yeah, I don't think I was much help to him. Anyway, I did find, like, everything I needed, but I thought, well, I'll pick up the distilled water on the way home, and never got around to that till this morning. So I'm going to start this, and then wait 30 minutes, have breakfast, then you wait 2 hours before you do your next round, and then lunch, and then another 2 hours. And so I'm going to make sure that I have everything laid out that I need for today, and I'll check in later.